Hey guys, it's Paul here at Happy Me. I want to give you a quick demonstration on how to manage your channel links, short links, and now QR codes. It's all sort of automated for you with the QR code. But first thing, sign in. When you sign into your Happy Me account, if you are tagged to a YouTube channel, then your profile image badge will come up, and if you click it, it will take you to your website. So what we're talking about though is this manage channel links. So any brand deals, any social media links, accounts, everything's in here. And if you've got a custom domain added, then your links will be, so mine's paulnicholson.com/YouTube. If you click that or copy it to the clipboard, that will take you to your YouTube channel. I'm on a, yeah. So same with Peloton. This is a brand link. That should, oh yeah, I've only got one social link. I don't actually do a lot of social media myself. So, but let's talk about how to add a link. So quickly you can add, so maybe X, the slug is what the / what you want it to be. So / YouTube, / X, / if you want it to be Twitter, put Twitter in there. No, in fact, put X because it needs to be X because of the way the icons pick it up. Destination URL is the full URL, so it'll be x.com / the PNUK is my sort of personal Twitter, and then it's a social link. Create that. When you go to your website now, you will see X in the header and your YouTube. Further down, you will see down here as well. So if you went to the X, you'll see that'll take you to my X. The links will take you to my YouTube. And then the brand links. This is also part of this video. So this title here, these 3 titles can be edited here. So the default would be, if you go to Happy Me, the default, happyme.net is like the shorter link. So if I went to somebody like, I'll go to Seb. Oh, there's no brand links. So who's got brand links set? Dan Hendrickson has brand links set, right? So brands we've worked with, channel sponsors, and recommended brands. So these are like the default titles, but you can change it. So if this is a more personal account, brands I've worked with, or channels that sponsor me, things like that, then you can edit these titles. So brands I recommend, so I'll do it on mine. Right, so brands I recommend for businesses, brands I recommend for creators, brands I use personally. So if I want to change that, I can quickly, all these edits go the same, and I can rebrand them. So if I save that, actually I don't know what will happen if I remove that. I don't know if it'll break. Yeah, brands I use personally, that didn't change anything, did it? Did it? Did I save it? Save headers? Maybe I've not actually tried it with blank. Recommended brands. Save. There you go. Yeah, it won't actually let you save a blank. I have to change that. So this will now change to recommended brands, right? But if you want to put, you know, brands I use every day, save, right? That will now obviously a refresh on that page. Brands I use every day. And if there's something that you use and you think, hold on a minute, what do I use? You might think of something like, I don't know, let's go HelloFresh, right? So you use HelloFresh. Now, I will eventually put the slug being paulnicholson.com / I'm going to put, you can leave it as hello. You can make it HelloFresh, whatever you want to do. Destination. Just, I don't know if I've got a deal with HelloFresh. HelloFresh. I got a feeling I probably am an affiliate of HelloFresh, but I'm not sure I've ever used it. HelloFresh. Is it all one word? HelloFresh. I'm sure I've added them. There we go. US, UK, HelloFresh. It's going to ping their latest videos. No, I don't. It doesn't look like I have. But if you go to their website, and what you want to do now, what I'm going to do is put links, short links to these, to brand deals, to influencers, to affiliates, right? So if you go here and sign up as an affiliate, I'm sure I am, but you would get like a HelloFresh, like a referral. It'd be like RF equals PNUK or something, whatever that are unique. referral is. But for now, I'm just going to grab this, not to drag this video out. I'm going to go back here. Destination is HelloFresh. This is a brand, right? Now here it's going to say a sponsor, worked with, or affiliate. So sponsor and work with are the top two on every page. When you go, let me go back to my website. So yeah, the top two. So this is sponsors. This is what I've worked with, and this is everything else, right? So I'm going to put, I'll leave it as an affiliate because that's really what I am, to HelloFresh. And I'm going to put in here, hello, and HelloFresh is going to come, and you can tag it too. What I want to do with this is when you tag them, I'm going to make you appear on their pages. So we've just been to their website, right? Their Happy Me website. So a create link. Right, now when I go to here, down the bottom, HelloFresh, and that's going to be my brand link, and that's going to be on every page I do. So here's a video, and here's my brand links. There's the link. That would be a click. The click would be tracked. I'm not sure if it tracks me, but HelloFresh, yeah, I don't think it tracks me as a click. But you would see the more clicks you get, this will, you'll see how many people are clicking your links to get to your links. So you can show brand deals, how many clicks you get on average, how many people pass through. But also what I want to do on Happy Me is like link brands together. So on HelloFresh, it was HelloFresh US, right? I want brand ambassadors. I want to put your profile on brand ambassadors. So when you tag the channel of the brand that you work with, when people go to that brand, maybe there's another food delivery service that wants to find people who promote HelloFresh, and then they'll find you that way. So you'll have your profile link up here as well. So links to everything, links to each other. And the final part for this quick video is the QR codes. So now when you go to your website and just type, when you go to your Happy Me website, whether it's the short version, your YouTube profile username .hpme.net/QR, or if you've got your custom domain set up, you're using your own domain, then it will be like mine is paulnicholson.com QR. And now you'll see all my links have turned into a QR code. Now I can't on this video show you how it works or show it works, but obviously if you zoom in, you want to grab that, you want to share it somewhere, you want to share a bigger picture of yourself on social. But the reason for this is if you're out and about with your phone and people say, oh, you're a YouTuber, are you? What's your Instagram, or what's your X, or what's your, you know, what do you recommend I use for a website? Oh, I use Shopify. You would just go on your phone, your website /QR, then zoom in on this. Get them to obviously open it on their phone. The QR code opens your affiliate page, and that goes to your that would go to your Shopify affiliate. Now, if you're not a Shopify affiliate, come to Happy Me, type in Shopify, and here's the links. Look, the official support, pricing. I actually haven't put the partner. I haven't put the partner plans on there. What you'll see eventually is if you go to something like, I feel like Whoop is something I've done. Yeah. So here on the Whoop page, you'll see brand partnership info and become an affiliate. So I'm going to put the short links to you. So if you'd have gone to my Whoop, that would have took you to that page, right? So here, that takes you to, if you want to become a brand partner, the difference being they're paying you, whereas with an affiliate, when you first start as an affiliate, you probably won't get paid, but you can still say, I work with Whoop. Here's my link. It's just refer a friend, or it actually is an affiliate where you get paid commission for other people signing up. So that's what we're doing. That's how we're managing. We're managing brands. We're managing our social media links. We've got the QR codes. There's a lot more coming, but obviously, like, what was it? Seb on Golf. Seb on Golf. I don't know why my brain has stopped working. .QR. Right, there he is. There's Seb's links. Gary Martin, golf.com. I've got 2 G's in golf. Golf.com. QR. Keep doing this till I break it. So now when you get your own website, you get your own Iona, you get your own domain, and ionagolf.qr, and there's Iona's, so you can share that out, share that picture. You want to find me across socials, share that on your Instagram, isn't it? Here I am, everywhere else. So more coming down the pipe. Hopefully you find this interesting. Hopefully, you know, the more feedback I get, the more people jump on board, the more we can like link the content creators to the brands and get everybody, you know, helping you to earn. Everybody has to earn more views, more fans, more subscribers, more brand deals, better brand deals. And that's all free at happy-me.com. The only thing that you can't do at the minute, and I think I'll get it working this week, is when you load up your page, I need a point where it says claim a channel, and you can go to YouTube and say, this is my channel. At the minute, when you sign up, you'll have to send me a message saying, I've signed up, or do it on this video, I've signed up, this is my username, can you tag this channel? Actually, the best way to do it right now is to comment on this video and as your channel, and I can prove it's you. Tell me what username you set up on happy-me.com, and I will tag your channel. And when you see your channel profile badge appear, that's when you know you're tagged. Next thing is to do multiple channels, but that's coming down the pipe. Hope you find it interesting. More to come. More features added every day now. It should be a website where you can really promote, drive people through. But the short links will become important to you. Actually, managing your links. You know, managing these links. Whoop, Zoho CRM. All these brand links now. You might say I don't need a website, but where do you send people when you've got a brand deal? Where do you send people to sign up? Where do you send people with a 20% off code? You send them via a link. Manage your links. Show your stats. Bigger stats will be coming. Hopefully it's interesting. Hopefully it'll be really good for your YouTube channel. But more to the point, whatever you actually do, which makes you do content on YouTube. You're not a YouTuber. You're an expert in something. Which I don't know if channel. Have I changed this? Channel rankings. YouTube, categories. When you log in, it changes. Usually it's just this, right? Obviously, you know, you're a golfer, you're a footballer, you're a fitness expert, but you put it on YouTube, you play cricket, you do music, whatever it is that you put on YouTube, let's build that. I want you to follow your passion, follow your dreams, and hopefully I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. Any questions, you know where I am. Cheers. Ciao. Paul at Happy Me. PNUK Punk out.